How to make keto brown butter asparagus with creamy eggs. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 2 tablespoon butter, 4 large eggs, 3 ounce grated parmesan cheese, ½ cup sour cream, cayenne pepper to taste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 24 ounce asparagus spears, 3 tablespoon butter, 1½ tablespoon lemon juice. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. 2. Over medium heat, add butter to a frying pan and stir the eggs in until scrambled. Be sure not to overcook the eggs. 3. Add the eggs to a blender along with parmesan cheese and sour cream. Blend until smooth/creamy, then season with cayenne pepper and salt to taste. 4. Over medium heat, add olive oil to a frying pan and cook asparagus. Once fork tender, remove from frying pan and set aside. 5. On medium-low heat, add butter to the same pan. Cook until butter is golden brown in color and has a nutty aroma. Remove from heat and let cool for 1 to 2 minutes. 6. Once the butter is slightly cooled, add lemon juice and stir together. 7. Over medium-low heat, add the brown butter with lemon juice and asparagus back to the pan. Remove when hot. 8. Plate the asparagus alongside the creamed eggs and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto brown butter asparagus with creamy eggs. Each serving comes out to be 419 calories, 34.9 grams fat, 5.9 grams net carbs, and 19.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.